What's up, Rag Squad? Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be installing these black OEM badges in the car. So yeah, these are OEM. I took the silver ones off from there and right here. So I'm gonna be installing these black ones. I think they're gonna match perfectly with the back of the car. And especially because this one right here is black and red as well. So we're just gonna see how this complements the back of the car. I got me some alcohol prep pads right here. I'm gonna use that to just prep the surface. Got some chemical gas cleaner, 2 microfiber towels, and these have been sitting in the sun for a long time now, so I think they're pretty much, I don't even know, I don't really need no heat on it because they're already like hot and sticky right now, so makes it very easy. Also, they have this like template on it, so it makes it easy to install them without like having to do it letter by letter. So we'll see how this turns out, so stay tuned. All right, so first we're just gonna clean the surface with this the alcohol prep pads, and then let it dry for a minute or two, just to really decontaminate everything from this area. And down here as well, we're gonna put the 2.0 and the Sport rather. And then we're just gonna spray some of this on there and clean it off. And now we're gonna start installing these. All right, guys, so to start with installing these, I'm gonna peel the back piece off. Like I said, I'm not gonna be doing it based on the OEM spec. I'm just gonna be doing it to how I like it or how I want them to sit on the car. So you might not like it, whatever, but oh well. I'm just gonna be installing them to cover this in particular. And yeah, so we're gonna peel this off. And yeah, so I'll be right back. So this is how it looks with the back end peeled off. I'm about to install it before the glue gets messed up. All right, guys, so I put it on there. It's not perfectly aligned based on how I'm looking at it, and I know you can see that too. But we'll peel it off and we'll see how it looks. If not, then we'll just take it back off and align it perfectly straight. All right, guys, so I'm done with the installation. I messed up on the Accord because the template, it's a little bit flimsy. It's like flexible, so when I was installing it, it kind of like flexed a little bit. And I'm pretty sure you could see how some of the letters look off, especially the D right here. It kind of looks a little bit taller than the R, and the A at the end is a little bit slanted. So I'm probably gonna have to take this back off. And also, it's not even straight. It's kind of, you could definitely see that gap right here, how bigger it is than over this side, and that is not acceptable. Like, I'm not gonna have it on there looking like that, so I'm probably gonna take it back off. And I'm not sure, I got these on eBay. It was listed as OEM, but by the looks of it, I doubt they're actually like OEM. They may be OEM, but this is not an OEM thing. The one from Honda itself is actually like a cardboard, like a brownish cardboardish. So I'm probably gonna return them, or we'll see if we could get this figured out. But anyways, it doesn't look that bad from far away. Yeah, you could tell that it's not like perfectly straight with the spoiler right here. It's more aligned with this than it is with this, which is fine. But I'm gonna get that fixed. But anyways, this is how the 2.0 looks right here. That is straight. And yeah, I think it looks good. That's how it looks from far away. yeah, we're gonna have to get that Accord sorted out because it does not look good being slanted. So we're gonna fix it. But anyways, yeah, um, let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like it debadged? So, just having this one on there and take those back off, or you kind of like the look of the gloss. And yeah, so go in the comment section, let me know. Yeah, that's it for the video. Pretty quick. We just hit 200 subscribers as well, so thanks for the support, and make sure you continue to like and share the videos. Also, if you're watching right now but you haven't subscribed, just do me a favor and tap that subscribe button for more content like this. And so they looked crooked at first when I installed them. Well, they still are, but I went ahead and watched an actual Honda video on their actual dealer installation, and it's pretty much done the same way. It still has the same kind of curve to it. I don't know if you can see that, but the lettering kind of has like a curve to it like that. It's actually the way the template is built. So the A is actually like starts like that, and then it curves out like that. So I think that's the reason why the D looks a little bit taller than the R, but it actually isn't. They're perfectly aligned. It's just that the way the template's built. So I'm not gonna take it back off. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. If it bothers me, then I'll eventually just take him off, and I'll just get a roll of double-sided tape, and I'll redo it. But for now, that's how it looks. And as you can see, the trunk is not straight itself. It obviously has a curve to it, so it kind of blends in. It doesn't look out of place. It looks good, so we'll just keep it on there the way it is for now. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. So peace.